a reflection on where you come from, the values you carry, and the future you will help shape. As graduates of Mehran University, you belong to a legacy that is more profound than you might realize. This land that you walk upon, this soil that you call home, holds within it the echoes of a civilization that shaped human history. The Indus Valley civilization. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors lived right here, thriving as one of the most advanced societies of their time. The Indus Valley was a cradle of progress and harmony, a place where innovation and sustainability were deeply intertwined. These were people who built cities like Mohenjo-daro, with grid-like streets, sophisticated drainage systems, and a focus on environmental stewardship that is as relevant today as it was then. Their wisdom was timeless, their actions forward-thinking. What does it mean to be the heirs of such a remarkable civilization? It means that you carry within you a responsibility to honor your legacy. It means that you must lead the way, just as they did, by innovating, by calibrating, and by embracing the principles of sustainability and inclusivity. Let me begin by addressing one of the greatest challenges of our time: climate change. Sindh is a land of extraordinary beauty and resilience, but it is also on the front lines of the climate crisis. Rising sea levels threaten our coastal areas. Unpredictable weather patterns disrupt agriculture. Devastating floods, like the ones we've witnessed recently, leave entire communities displaced. These are not distant challenges. They are here and they are now. But with every challenge comes an opportunity. As engineers, scientists, and leaders, you have the power to make a difference. Our ancestors of the Indus Valley lived in harmony with nature, designing systems that respected the flows of the rivers and the rhythm of the earth. Today, we must learn from them. I urge you to think boldly and act decisively. Can we develop technologies that harness renewable energy more efficiently? Can we design buildings and cities that are not just modern, but also environmentally sustainable? Can we work with our rural communities to introduce climate-smart agriculture practices that ensure food security without depleting resources? The answer is yes. Yes, you can. Yes, you must. Climate change is not just an environmental issue. It is a matter of justice. Those who contribute the least to global emissions are often the ones who suffer the most. And so, when you innovate, when you advocate, remember that you are standing up not just for the planet, but for the people whose lives depend on it. While we address the challenges of the natural world, we must also turn our attention to the digital one. We live in an age defined by technology, a time when information travels faster than ever, and opportunities are as vast as the digital networks we create. Yet with the rapid progress comes a set of challenges we cannot ignore. Data privacy, digital misinformation, cybercrimes, these are the battles of our time. And just as the Indus Valley people set standards of fairness in trade and governance, we too must establish principles that guide us in this digital age. This is why I advocate for a digital Bill of Rights. Such a framework would ensure that every individual, regardless of their background, has access to the internet, a tool that is no longer a luxury but a necessity. It would protect your privacy, ensure that your data remains in your hands and in your control. It would fight against the spread of misinformation, fostering a digital environment rooted in truth and trust. You, the graduates, have a unique role to play in this. You are stepping into a world where your skills in engineering, technology, and critical thinking can shape the digital landscape. Whether you are developing software, working on artificial intelligence, or innovating in telecommunications, remember this: technology must serve humanity, not the other way around. As we navigate these challenges, let us never forget the values that define us as a people. The Indus Valley civilization thrived because it prioritized collaboration. Their cities were interconnected. Their people worked together to create systems that benefited all. In today's world, collaboration remains key. The problems we face, climate change, digital rights, social inequality, are too vast for any one person, organization to solve. We must work together across disciplines, across borders, and across generations. You've already begun your journey here at Mehran University. The friendships you have formed, the knowledge you have gained, the projects you have undertaken, these are all testaments to the power of collaboration. As you step into the wider world, carry this spirit with you. Build bridges, not walls. Seek common ground, not division. Let me also take a moment to speak about the role of education. Education is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is about empowerment. It is about giving you the tools to dream, to innovate, and to lead. The degree you receive today is not just a piece of paper. It is a key that unlocks the doors to opportunities. But with these keys come a responsibility. Use your education not just... Where's it gone? Use your education not just to empower yourselves, empower your communities, empower your province, empower your country, but inshallah ta'ala, the entire world. मैं आप सब पे, I am truly and genuinely proud today to see how young minds from across the province, nay, across the country, have gathered here in Jamshoro to study some of the most advanced degrees available in the world. मैं वहाँ बैठा था तो आपका ये बुक वहाँ पढ़ा हुआ था और I was very proud to see कि आप ना सिर्फ हमारा Mehran University has made the list for Times Higher Education. ना सिर्फ आप सिंध में सबसे आगे हैं और पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में amongst engineering universities, पूरे पाकिस्तान में तीसरा नंबर पे हैं, मगर साथ साथ आप इंटरनेशनल कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी जीतते आ रहे हैं. एक कॉम्पिटिशन था हवावे कॉम्पिटिशन जो कि रियाद सऊदी अरेबिया में, जिसमें आपने ना सिर्फ हिस्सा लिया मगर साथ साथ सेकंड पोजीशन हासिल की. اور مقابلہ 11 ممالک کے درمیان، جس میں سعودی عربیہ، UAE، قطر، مگر میرے سندھ کے جامع سروں کے بچے.